Hey, that's Mascard. Welcome back to Mindset Skincare, even your ultimate skincare destination, where we dive deep into everything related to skincare, self-care, and self-love. I'm Up Smart, aka Light of the World, a very beautiful face behind Smart Organic Skincare. You already know this. If you're new here, welcome and get ready for an amazing journey. Welcome back to our channel where we uncover the secrets of skincare in a language that everyone can understand. So today I'm so excited because we'll be diving deep into the fascinating science behind how our skin works and how we can keep it healthy and radiant. So the science of skincare, also known as cosmetic dermatology or cosmeceuticals, is actually a vast and continually evolving field that encompasses various aspects of the skin, like its biology, chemistry, physiology, as well as development and formulation of products to improve the skin's appearance and overall health. This means that it combines knowledge from different scientific fields like biology, chemistry, biochemistry, pharmacology, and even dermatology, right? So this also involves understanding the ingredients used in skincare products, their mechanisms of actions, that is how they work, and their potential benefits or side effects. So the science of skincare also covers other areas such as sun protection, skin barrier function, hydration, inflammation, acne, pigmentation, wound healing, and so on. It involves studying the effects of antioxidants, retinoids, peptides, exfoliants, moisturizers, and other ingredients on the skin. Last, the science of skincare aims to provide evidence-based solution for common skin concerns, promote skin health, prevent skin aging, and enhance appearance and well-being of individuals. So of course it involves collaboration between dermatologists, chemists, biologists, pharmacologists, and other logists to ensure a comprehensive understanding of the skin health and the development of effective skincare products and treatments. Now, from the goodness of my heart, I have been able to collate an overview of important concepts and components within this field and classify them into 10 topics, which we'll be exploring for the next 10 episodes starting today. So, the 10 topics or concepts we'll be discussing are skin structure, which is my favorite. We'll talk about skin physiology, skin aging, skin ingredients, skin conditions, formulation and delivery systems, testing and safety, lifestyle factors, personalized skincare, and future directions. On this personalized skincare, if you haven't watched my last video, please do so. Now, starting with the first one, skin structure. Now, the skin is an incredible organ and it is the largest organ in the human body, and it also serves as a protective barrier between our internal organs and external environment. So it's like a protective shield, right, that wraps around our entire body and consists of 3 main complex layers, which are the outermost layer called the epidermis, the middle layer known as the dermis, and the deeper layer called the subcutaneous tissue. Now, each of these layers has a unique role in keeping our skin healthy and happy. These layers work together to protect us from external elements and maintain the skin's health, function, and appearance. This is why I say when you're not happy, it shows on your skin. When you are happy, it also shows on your skin. So let's take a closer look at each of these layers. The first one is the epidermis. Like I said earlier, the epidermis is the outermost layer, making it the skin's first defense, and it's responsible for protecting the body from environmental factors such as heat, cold, pathogen, and UV radiation. So it's like a fortress protecting us from the outside world, and it's made up of different types of cells, including amazing little superheroes called keratinocytes. Now, these keratinocytes produce a protein called keratin that strengthens our and protects our skin, right? So keratinocytes undergo a continuous process of development and migration from the basal layer of the epidermis to the surface. That's from the base, the ground floor of the epidermis, right? So now as they move upward, they undergo a maturation process and eventually shed off as dead skin cells. It is also in this layer that we have the melanocytes, which produce melanin, that is the pigment responsible for our skin's color, as well as Langerhans cells, which are part of the immune system. Next is the dermis. Now the dermis, like I said, is the middle layer of the skin just beneath the epidermis, like a supportive cushion, because it provides structural support and houses various vital components. All right, it also is the home of amazing proteins called collagen and elastin fibers that provide strength, flexibility, and elasticity to the skin. Now, collagen is the most abundant protein in the dermis and gives the skin its firmness and structure, while elastin fibers allow the skin to stretch and return to its original shape. Now, this dermis also contains blood vessels, nerve endings, hair follicles, sweat glands, sebaceous glands, which produce or secrete sebum to moisturize and protect the skin. It is also within the dermis that many skincare treatments and therapies work to target specific concerns. However, as we age, our skin goes through changes, so collagen and elastin production reduces, leading to formation of wrinkles and loss of elasticity. But don't worry, there are various ways to slow down this process and maintain youthful skin, which will be discussed in subsequent videos. So the subcutaneous tissue, also known as the hypodermis or superficial fascia or fascia, is the deepest layer of the skin located below the dermis. So it's epidermis, dermis, hypodermis. It consists primarily of adipose, which is made up of fat cells or adipocytes, which provides insulation, cushioning, and energy storage for the body. So it acts as a thermal barrier, helping to regulate body temperature by providing insulation against heat loss. So the layer of fat also serves as a cushion or a cushion protecting the organs and providing shock absorption from external compression or impact. Then this tissue also stores energy in the form of triglycerides, if I'm not mistaken. I'll write that up, which can be used by the body in times of need. So it's important to note that the amount and distribution of adipose tissues vary among individuals, influenced by factors such as genetics, age, sex, hormones, and overall body weight. So blood vessels, nerves, and collagen fibers are also present within the subcutaneous tissue, providing support and nourishment to this layer. Now, this layer also contributes to the skin's plumpness, firmness, and youthful appearance. But as we age, the subcutaneous layer may thin out, contributing to the formation of wrinkles and sagging skin. Now, this tissue also provides a blood supply to the skin, delivering oxygen and nutrients necessary for cellular function. It is of clinical significance with various medical procedures. Subcutaneous injections such as insulin injection for diabetes or vaccination are administered into this layer. In cosmetic procedures like dermal fillers, substances are injected into the subcutaneous tissue to restore volume and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. So understanding the subcutaneous tissue is very important for understanding the overall structure and function of the skin. Now, this layer, this subcutaneous layer's role in insulation, cushioning, and energy storage highlights its importance in maintaining optimal body function and overall health. However, the skin structure is not just limited to these 3 layers, but also includes other important components such as hair. There is hair follicles within the dermis produce hair, which serves functions like insulation, protection, and sensory perception. That's when you touch, you feel it. Now, it also consists of nails derived from specialized cells in the epidermis. Nails protect the fingertips and enhance fine motor skills. It also consists of sweat glands. This is also found in the dermis. It helps to regulate the body temperature by producing sweat that cools the body as it evaporates from the skin's surface. Then it also consists of blood vessels. Blood vessels in the skin, including arteries, veins, and capillaries, ensure the delivery of oxygen, nutrients, and immune cells to maintain skin health. Okay, you're getting into biology now, right? Okay, so sometimes when I look at my skin, I'm in awe of God's work because the skin structure is a marvel of design. Honestly, the way it's layered composition allows it to perform essential functions such as protection, temperature regulation, sensory perception, and even immune defense. Anyways, understanding the structure of the skin is vital for developing effective skincare routine, as it allows for targeted treatments and maintenance to keep the skin healthy, radiant, and functioning optimally. We'll talk about skin physiology in our next episode. But before then, I want to congratulate you. You are now a skincare scientist in the making. So, understanding the basics of our skin and how to take care of it can transform our skincare routine and give us that glowing, confident complexion we desire. So, if you haven't seen our video on tailored skincare routines, now is a good time to see it so that you'd understand when I say that skincare is more than just products. It's a lifestyle. Okay, and remember, self-care is not selfish, it's essential for healthy, radiant skin. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more exciting content on skincare and beauty. Until next time, bye.